Reduce your compiling time by creating your own assembly.definition. At first see, all our scripts is under assembly.c#.dll. All your scripts in your project is stays under assembly c#.dll. If you want to reduce your Unity's compiling time, you need to create your own assembly definition. To click your assembly definition, right click on the assets, go to create and create assembly definition, give it a name. We give it test assembly. It takes time to compile. Then take your assembly file inside the folder you want to keep. It's reloading. Now see, the script is under testassembly.dll. That's how you can separate your scripts from the main assembly definition file and create lots of sub assembly file that will reduce your Unity compiling time and make compiling faster. Thanks for watching.